If you knew Jocelyn Gross, you might notice that she's always moving. You'd probably wonder where she gets the energy to work so much. But if you really knew her, you would know that Jocelyn takes care of herself. She's a nutritionist whose health regimen is so good that she never has to slow down.
I never realized that I could make money doing nutrition because I thought it's something that everybody does. Everybody eats. You're not going to charge money to someone to tell them what to eat. But as years went on and as things get worse, I mean, the food that we eat now is so different, and it's not food really anymore. I grew up on a farm with real food, but now you have box food and bags and frozen, and you read the ingredients, and there's all kinds of names you don't even know what they are. I mean, where would you go to find that? It's like it's not something you'd pick out of a garden.
Jocelyn has a very unique way of testing her patient's health.
I come to see Jocelyn, my nutritionist. Usually it's once a month or if not twice a month, depending on how I'm doing. And she muscle tests me. And then she attests and sees what supplements my body needs and what foods I should stay away from. And when I do follow it, I do feel the benefits. I see the benefits. I feel the benefits immediately. The best result I received from muscle testing is much more energy, better sleep. Tend to lose weight when that happens. Right now, I've come back to Jocelyn because I haven't been following what I should. So I'm back to get myself back on board and then reap the benefits again.
Jocelyn's been helping people as a nutritionist for many years, and just recently opened up an office right across from the Glendale Galleria. Jocelyn also teaches seminars in different areas, such as Sylmar and Santa Clarita. With your Cougar News Update, I'm Sasha Borma.